Hey, this is Eric at TechnoRV, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install your GasStop automatic propane shutoff device to the propane tank in your RV. Now there's two different connection points that are offered with the GasStop that you'll see, and one of them is considered like the Acme style. It's got the big collar that just goes onto a standard propane tank, and then the other one's called a POL, and it's just basically got a different connection point. On TechnoRV.com, we've got a little chart to make sure that you get the right GasStop device for your RV. Usually the bigger class A and C's get the POL, and the smaller towables and fifth wheels will get the Acme style. But you'll be able to visually look at it and tell. And so here's how you install it. It's really easy. Instead of connecting your RV's propane line directly to the propane tank like you do now, you're going to connect the GasStop device first. So all you're going to do is screw this device onto the propane tank. Now, as you're screwing this on, the gauge can be moved from side to side. So as you're screwing it on, make sure that you put that gauge where you want it. If you want your gauge kind of angled out to where when you open up maybe the bay door you see it, then do that. In this case, I'm going to turn mine this way so that maybe you can get a peek of it there on the camera. And so go ahead and get that on, and then all you're doing is taking your propane line that you would normally just plug directly into the propane tank. Now you're just plugging this or screwing this onto the GasStop device here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this here. And I like to, as I'm tightening this, I like to grab onto the GasStop itself and to make sure it doesn't twist along with me turning that collar there. That's all there is to it. So now, again, this is your line going to your RV, so I'm just going to stop it here on the end with my thumb because I want to pressurize this line. This is air in here, by the way, not propane. So now all I would do is turn my propane tank on, and then to prime the system, I need to press in this gauge 4 or 5 times. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can feel on the end of my thumb that this line is now pressurized. And in the gauge, it's now telling me how much propane I have in the tank, so you'll know that your system is all charged and ready to go. You don't need to do that but one time. So as soon as you prime that, it's not like you got to go do that every day. One time and you're good to go. And now if I have a leak, it's going to automatically shut that off. And that is why you get this device. That's why you've got this device. So get out there and go ahead and get this installed on your RV. You'll be glad you did. It'll give you peace of mind. And I hope that helped you with the install on your GasStop automatic propane shutoff device.